That is the air conditioner right there, buddy.
That is the air conditioner. We're using a Cruising Comfort.
Yeah, it's Cruising Comfort.
Cruising Comfort.
What's going on? What's up? What's up? All right, so guys, I am actually in a different part of the Nomadic Custom shop right now. I'm in the storage area. I am just doing some touch-ups to the van. Look at this. It looks like a crazy mess behind me right now. And what you guys are probably all tuned into this video for is that air conditioner unit, which you're gonna get into in a minute here. But really what I'm trying to do here is just trying to clean up. I've got a showing for the van over this weekend, and I wanna make sure it's in tip-top shape for that person when they come and see it. I built this shelf that is actually, it goes right here. I don't know if you guys remember that setup, but it goes right here. And then I'm going to line the bottom of that shelf to waterproof it and everything else. Use it for toiletries, right? So when it was up in the upright position, and this was actually an upper cabinet, I would put like, you know, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, your mouthwash, your shower soap, and just things like that, your toiletry, your medicine cabinet, whatever. This pops open like so. This actual shelf is now, it's locked in place, but I've unlocked it. And then I drop it like so, and now this is like my shower caddy. This is a built-in shelf. So I can put toiletries and things up here, and then when I want to use the shower, take it down, put it off to the side, which you can't see in the video, but it's there. Then when I'm in the shower, because this opens up as the shower, this opens off, and then my curtain drops, and now I can just reach over to the shower caddy. When I do the finished tour of this, that will make sense. We're gonna get Anthony on right now. Anthony is a Nomadic Customs employee. Yes, I'm very fortunate to rent space from Nomadic Customs, but what is beautiful about Nomadic Customs is they do not just full van builds, but they do stuff like what I'm about to do. I consider myself a DIYer, but there are certain things when it comes to the van life world, or just life in general, that I don't feel confident in. And installing a 12-volt air conditioner, I do not feel confident in. So I am hiring Nomadic Customs, that, believe it or not, they actually charge me. I am hiring Nomadic Customs to mount the underneath, because it's a mini split system, which is the Cruising Comfort. And it is the underneath fan or condenser, whatever you want to call it, is underneath the van, and then the inside air conditioner is actually in the back. So I'm going to get Anthony on. We're going to explain just a little bit more about that, and perfect timing. He's walking up to me right now. What's up, buddy?
Not much.
How you doing, man?
Pretty good.
Anthony, you are an employee at Nomadic Customs.
I am.
Look at your dog behind you.
Follows me everywhere.
He does follow you everywhere. You are going to be helping me with this. I already told them that I'm hiring you, and I'm hiring Nomadic Customs to do this because, guys, I don't know what I'm doing. So, Anthony, can you kind of just like walk us through? If you guys hear a buzzing in the background, actually, I have my van plugged in so it can charge. So my inverter charger is charging my van. So, Anthony, that is the air conditioner right there, buddy.
That is the air conditioner. We're using a Cruising Comfort.
Yeah, it's Cruising Comfort.
Cruising Comfort. So this is the main unit, and then so they've got these hose outlets that are gonna go down through the floor of the van. And then we decided with yours, looking at it, I'm not sure.
I don't know if we're gonna go under. Are we going under?
See it? I don't know, maybe. I'm gonna go under and look at it. So we're gonna use your dead space from your spare tire.
Yep.
Right there. So we're gonna mount the condenser fan down here, which basically throws off all the heat that the unit creates out into the world again and helps it be more efficient. So those lines are gonna go down here, connect all of that.
And by the way, guys, Anthony and I are gonna do a full video on this. We're gonna actually explain a lot more than what we're doing right now. This is kind of just a daily vlog, saying hello to everybody. And also introducing this guy, because this guy is a freaking gem of a guy here at Nomadic Customs. So I don't know, I'd be lost without Mark and Anthony helping me out with this. Anthony brought up a good point where this is why I hire people to do certain things, because I said, hey, I can just throw it into the back here and call it a day, right? And what did you say to me?
I said that this unit actually has to recirculate the air from the cabin, which means that we are gonna have to box this off so that where these vents are, it is going to have to pull air from this channel, which will be connected to the internal part of the van.
Yep.
So we're going to have to box that off so that it only pulls air from here. Otherwise, it's going to be pulling the hot air that it creates and trying to recirculate it, which makes it less than efficient.
I thought this was a heck of a lot easier than it was, and this is a heck of a lot harder than it is. But luckily, like I've said already 4 or 5 times, I am very, very fortunate that I am not only renting space for Nomadic Customs, but I have great guys like this that work for Nomadic Customs that can do this. And again, Nomadic Customs is a company that can just do AC installs. You can just do fan installs. You can do
Generation box.
Generation power boxes.
Solar.
Very good at it. Yeah,
Solar
all
installs.
solar. If you need anything at all, I'll throw up Nomadic Customs information into the video. Why not?
We also do our own welding.
Well, yes, they do actually.
We do our own welding.
And by the way, thank you for bringing that up, because there is a second component to this.
Yeah.
This is just the inside part. This is a split system.
Yep.
So there's that fan underneath.
Fan and the condenser underneath that discharge the heat that we're gonna have to weld up some mounting brackets for.
And exactly, and as much as I love cruise and comfort, they don't yet they don't have the brackets already pre-welded onto the things. So that's where you come in.
Yeah.
Yeah. So super excited about all of that. I don't know what else to say or do, but that's pretty much it. We are going to eventually do a tour of Anthony's rig, because guess what, guys? He just doesn't know how to do all this stuff willy-nilly. He built his own house on wheels.
I have a 40-foot school bus that I converted. The back half is actually my welding shop, and the
That's pretty cool.
front half is my living situation. And I have been on the road since 2016.
So you're about my age.
I'm 35.
Yeah, see, so he is a little younger than me, but he looks wicked young, and that's because he is in tip-top shape, a yogi.
Acro yoga.
Accurate yoga, okay.
Climbing.
Big climber.
Slackliner.
Gotcha.
Backpacker.
He does it all. He is, he brings a lot of zen to me on a personal level. But anyways, guys, I'm really excited to kind of get involved with him, and we're going to get cracking on this, I think tomorrow.
Tomorrow, I'll be in about 7:30, so you're going to have to wake up.
I am going to get up early, apparently. I will be working with Anthony tomorrow, and we're going to be videoing this, and we're kind of going to go, that's going to be the first half of the video, and the second half is going to be that bad boy right there. And I'm going to have to drill into a floor that I'm not looking forward to.
It's all right.
All right, well, I'm drilling a hole into a floor that has piping in it, because I have the heated floor system from Van Life Tech, so.
What happens if we don't get it correct?
Don't say that. Man, that scares me like crazy. Oh, man. Yeah, if I miss, I'll put it this way. If I miss, my entire floor is gone, which, if anybody knows the pricing of that floor, it's not going to be fun. All right, guys, I will see you guys later. We're going to do this video upcoming soon, or at least part 1 of it maybe coming soon, which is mounting the bottom condenser unit, whatever the heck that is. Anthony, Nomadic Customs, yeehaw.